Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to get voice changer for Roblox. So we will use the Clownfish voice changer app to change our Roblox voice. And this is a very popular and lightweight app to change our voice on computer. All you have to need just open Clownfish voice changer download page, and now from here you have to download the Clownfish voice changer installer according to your computer requirements. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and install the Clownfish voice changer on your computer, and the installation process is pretty simple. Once it's installed, launch the Clownfish voice changer on your computer. Now click on the show hidden icon and right click on Clownfish. And now click on setup and click on system integration. And first of all, here we have to install our microphone. So select audio and here you will find your microphone. All you have to need install your microphone. And then again click on the show hidden icons. Again right click on Clownfish and click on set voice changer. And here you get bunch of different voice effects. You can select any of them to change your voice for your Roblox. So go ahead and select any voice effect,
and here we can see a result. You can select a baby pitch, female pitch, male pitch, and you can change pitch amount using this slider. And to create your sound effect, just click on create
effect. And then all you have to need, launch your Roblox and go to your Roblox settings and go to input device settings section, and you have to select your default microphone on your Roblox, which microphone you are using currently. So this is how we can get voice changer for Roblox. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.